Hi guys, we are playing Rebels 2-bit home, and my avatar rated 1 to 10, guys. Okay, this guys, you can look at the flashbang and redeem code, bonus, and community 23. Construction. I said construction. Even manas ka. Even manas Sheila. Even manas Kimi. Even manas Kubi. Yan, maskilan. Gumagawa ko video. Talongan eh. Teka nga lang. Tan. Okay. Guys, so may baliw dito, oh. Even one guys. Kung tinamaan sa puwet. Agad sa puwet. Nag-double jump ba naman kasi ako? Di ka na marunong dahil supot ka. Guys, don't be a meanie. Yeah, Venom! Lamatraka! You know, guys. Control lang din ito. Nakainis. Man yan, ba't may sniper to? Si Pooper ang galing ng dalawa na to ah. Ang galing ng dalawang Pooper na to ah. Mita. Feeling just patay. Okay. Ooh, I believe butterflies. I believe butterflies. Guys, talo tayo dito sa ano to? Sa round. Lang guys. Dami guys. Makapor na tong mga itlog na to ah. Lama taka ka.
Oo, sige na tayo.
Hindi, okay lang yan.
Parang masarap na yung gamit ko. Yung mga school supply.
Favorite weapon natin, guys.
Ha? Right? Meron din. Meron din sapatos. Yan ako bumili ng kapay dyan sa may kabligo natin sa may Nagyos.
Legendary. Pagbasa yung mas po, legendary.
Hindi, wala na.
Pagbasa yung mas po, legendary.
Meron pang ano ba yung mga dala sa living niya?
Yes. Okay, let's do this. One. Okay, legendary. Okay, let's do this. No.
Bibitaw mo niyan, sino ba kalaro mo?
Wala, gumagawa ko na ano ba? A-upload ko. So, Venom here. Okay, our back is cross. The back is much more cleaner. So,
Oh, sige,
legendary. Brrr. Okay. Nice. Crimson Heart. This looks pretty cool, you know. I don't even favorite this one. Favorite. We're going on. Katana. We got hockey. Wait, we need to put hockey. Chrome. Guys, we got chrome. That's beautiful. Pretty cool chrome. Just get the chrome. Ooh! And guys, this is the and then tomorrow we will wait for party.